Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi. I'll be reviewing today the Ipsy Glam Bag, the small version. So it's just going to be a small video reviewing, and I do apologize as well for just reviewing it in the month of July, so we're way behind. So they did actually send it to me very late. That was the only issue that I had with Ipsy. A couple bags that they had shipped to me were very late, so their customer service is kind of an issue, or has been an ongoing issue. This is like their theme for the month. First product that we have in the bag, so I'm just actually gonna take it out and oh my god, I just dropped everything in the bag. I dropped everything. There is not one video on my YouTube channel that I do not drop. Kid you not. So the bag, let's go ahead and just review this bag. So it's very kiddish, like my sister says that this bag is cute, but for like my age wise, I don't find it cute. So I do like the zipper. It's like rainbowish. I think that was the theme. Inside it's like a coralish, like orangey-ish. It's really cute. I like it, and I like the cute little zipper. It says Ipsy. It's like a cute little circle. Is actually stitched. Like some of these are actually stitched. Actually just one, like just the lips are stitched on here. Yeah, so we're gonna get into reviewing the products. Okay, so this is just a regular glam bag subscription from Ipsy. So it is just like BoxyCharm. You fill out the quiz that they have when you sign up with them. I believe it is maybe $15 a month, or if I'm mistaken, $15 a month for this cute little glam bag that they have. You have only one choice. Basically, I think they do only one choice for this bag. And you could pick out of like all the choices they recommend, just one choice. And then they'll try to match up through the things that you had recommended on the quiz that you took. Product that we have, I'm gonna pull out, is Pear Ink. Juliette Has A Gun. The name sounds really cool. I love the name. The packaging is so cute. Look at this. This is a perfume, so I do love perfumes. It actually retails for $100. But that's just not this. This is the sample. So if you crave a fresh scent for summer, then this fragrance is for you. Equal parts juicy and mouth-watering, happy and uplifting. The notes of green pear and musk are good vibes, bottled. Whew. So I do like a good pear smell. I'm a fruity person, so if you're not a fruity person, you're not gonna enjoy this. But let's see if it smells as fruity as to me. Oh, that smells really good. So I do love fruity scents, but you know, like the body mist from Victoria's Secret, like some of them smell very, very sweet. This one smells more like office kind of sweet vibe, like office. Okay, girl, you trying to get some business? Okay, bougie. Oh, it smells like pears. It smells like apple. Ooh. Pears and apple. And you can't go wrong with that, because oh my gosh, that actually smells good. It smells so good. Okay, so I recommend 100% of those that like fruity scents to purchase this perfume. It is $100. Okay, it is $100, but You know, it smells good. This Grow Gorgeous Repair Strengthening Hair and Scalp Mask powered by essential minerals and plant extracts. So, mask supports a healthy scalp and strengthens damaged strands from within, leaving your hair shinier, healthier, and more resistant from breakage. So, it says to apply damp hair from roots to tips, leave on up to 20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. So, some leave-in conditioners, you can put it after you take a shower and then just let your hair dry. But this one, you have to rinse it out. You know, some people just leave it in, to be honest, because sometimes I do that. But I did actually try this product. I'm not sure if it was just me. I'll try to try it out more often, and maybe it's just the weather here has been off and on, but it's been very humid here. Because it's like, when it's humid here in New Jersey, it's very hot and like humid. So you get frizzy, there I go dropping it again. Frizzy hair, like frizziness, dryness, scalp dry, everything. So I do suffer dandruff, and using that product, I'm not sure if it was the product itself or the weather change, but my scalp started to peel. So I'll try it out again and give you guys another opinion on that product, but just to let you guys know that I felt like it didn't do anything to my hair, like after rinsing it out, because I did this mask, like I first shampooed, I did a regular conditioner, and I put this mask in my hair.
And I let it sit, and then I rinsed it out, and then, you know, I felt like it was a shampoo more. Like, I tried other hair masks before, and my hair felt super soft and super, like, lively, but, like, it's been really dry. And it's not me, the fact that I straighten my hair once in a while, but this hair mask is not giving me wows so far.
But it is $30, you know, to buy the full product. I'm not sure. It may work on some other people. I may be mistaken, but we're gonna get into the other product that I have in my cute little baggie.
It is called, I can't pronounce this, I'm sorry, Callyssee Cloud Soft Bod, deluxe size in vanilla. So
it's a vanilla. I love vanilla. Vanilla is amazing. Some vanilla is not good.
This luxe moisturizer is infused with sweet almond oil, sea butter, aloe vera. Ooh, you got all the good ones. Deeply hydrates and nourishes skin while helping repair damage as soon as you smooth
my
out.
elbows are very ashy, and I'm just gonna try. I'm gonna try it, and I'm gonna show you guys my honest opinions. All right, so it did the job. It did the job. It did good. The smell is amazing because it's really good, and I am definitely buying this perfume. Definitely buying that perfume. And then the last product we have, the Punk Rock Eyeshadow Quad. Inspired by New York's Lower East Side, where unique makeup looks are always welcome. This collection of 4 highly pigmented eyeshadows has everything you need to create a fully dimensional eye look. Consider it your go for the long days, late nights, and every month. Did I say month? Moment in between. It says you can use the tip. You could use your fingers or an eyeshadow brush to blend onto your lids or your crease. So when you open the packaging, it's actually black, and it has this cute little logo that they have, which is pretty cute. I think that's cute. So when you open it, it's so cute. Like, it's so mini. And the fact that the colors make it cute, oh my god, look at that. That looks cute. The full size retails for $19. So I'm not sure if the full size just has 4 shades, you know? I mean, you might as well just get the small little one for the 4 shades, because, I mean, that's too much for a big quad. But nevertheless, we're going to get into swatching. I was gonna actually apply it on my lids and I realized I have makeup on. So they don't have names for the shades onto this palette. I'm just gonna swatch it, and they're shimmer. They're all shimmer colors. They're not matte, so it's actually cute. It's decent. That one's not as pigmented. Okay. So they're all like a berry shimmery color. They're actually cute. I personally would not use this a lot, but I feel like it would be handy if I went on vacation and I needed a little bit of blush. Like you could do a blush with this, and you could do an eyeshadow look, and it has shimmer in it, so also a highlighting. I don't know, actually not, because they're actually pink, but they're actually cute. Like to be frankly honest with you, I wouldn't use it a lot, but it would be so cute if I gave it away to one of my family members, gave them the cute little eyeshadow quad for someone that's, you know, learning how to use eyeshadows. It would be amazing to give it away, but I already swatched it, so I don't want to, you know, give something that is used. The formulas are not that bad. It's just some of them are a little bit streaky. Like 2 of the shades are streaky, but I mean, just to have it like a base crease look, it's cute. Next product that we have is Tarte Lash Paint Mascara. So this was the item that I picked for the cute little glam bag. It's the only item they actually let me try. I'm not sure what other ones they had. I think they there was a Fenty maybe eyeliner that they had. It's a Tarte Lash Paint Mascara, and this is the sample size and is actually cute. It's very thick and very thin. Like, I feel like this will be a good one for a mascara. I know somebody that will use this mascara. I know somebody that will definitely use this mascara, or I might just put it into my box for the giveaways. But this is actually cute. I think it's very cute. It's Get Thick Falsy Like Lashes. Retails for $23. I will definitely buy this for $23. Hell yeah. I will definitely buy this for $23. So that includes this cute little haul for the Ipsy cute little glam bag. My thoughts and opinions about this whole bag put together. There were some goods, there were some bads. The lotion, amazing. The freaking perfume, amazing. The eyeshadow quad, cute. The only thing that I was just like about was kind of the eyeshadow quad. The eyeshadow quad, I wasn't a big fan of that product, and the hair and scalp mask was, I think, the least item that I liked in this haul. So, but everything else was pretty fine. The bag was like, I wasn't really feeling the theme they pick for you. So I honestly thought it was good. The smell, the aroma of the perfume, the lotion, these two I recommend people to purchase because these were amazing. Well, all the full size items, it would be, so it would be almost to $200. 180 something dollars, I'm gonna say $188.95 these items. So that includes my haul for Ipsy. Thank you guys for watching my video for Ipsy, and I can't wait to do July's picks and reviews with you guys for the Ipsy bag and the BoxyCharm Plus bag. So excited to share with you guys my reviews on those products. And Anastasia will definitely be partnered up with BoxyCharm for next month. I mean, this month of July. So I am so excited to share with you guys that. Also, if you guys want to hit like, subscribe, and share my video, I would definitely appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I do have an Instagram. I do have TikTok. If you guys want to follow me, all my social medias will be linked down below. And thank you so much, you guys, for watching my video. And I hope you guys have a great day.
Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.